Have you ever wondered about school that's academic, religious, and lightweight to activities, but can educate you properly and professionally? Then the Philippine Christian University is here. This university has a diverse culture, a variety of tracks and strands, and wonderful facilities that can accommodate learning and other activities related to education. Let us tackle the variety of track and strands that PCU offers, which are the academic track that offers STEM, EBM, and UPS, the sport track, and TPN. As a Christian, we value our beliefs and faith. PCU made a program for us to form and emphasize Christianity. We call that program CP. Here we strengthen our relationship with our Lord and deepen our faith in Him.
Did you know that here in PCU, we only spend 4 days of school and 18 hours of schooling per week? But keep in mind that we are learning because of the guidance of the teachers who are professional and innovate their students.
Here in PCU, we have a plenty of clubs which you can join to hone your abilities in a particular field. In addition, there are perks and benefits when you join them. APM is made for those who pursue related courses about accounting, business, and management. These strands give you knowledge and experience on the related fields.
Hi, my name is Francesca Ray Torres School and I am from Tondo.
What is your strand?
My strand is Accountancy, Business, and Management.
Why did you choose ABM strand?
I chose EBM because that strand is connected to the course I am taking, which is flight attendant or Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Thank you.
I'm Valerie Magallanes from 11 Avenue.
What is your strand?
My strand is EBM.
Why did you choose this ABM strand?
I choose this strand because it's aligned with the course I'm going to take in college, and also it will serve as an advantage having knowledge about business.
Okay, thank you, miss.
I'm Jessel Kim Agnes Leopold.
What is your strand?
My strand is ABM.
Why did you choose ABM strand?
I chose ABM strand for me to be able to use it when I apply as an accountant in the future.
Okay, thank you.
For those who match the criteria of accountancy, business, and management, this is for you.
If you are interested in business, come with me and I'll tell you everything that I know about it. If you want to track of a business transaction activities in the first, become an accountant.
As a flight attendant, I can travel and still be on my job. Pursue this role and see the possibilities.
Skills of a manager are essential for the business. If you are fit for the role, become one and manage till success.
Don't deny that the Indians are equipped with the skills, knowledge, and experience that can operate a business or succeed in their chosen path.
Show entrance. Here in PCU, we treasure our facilities. Canteen, where we may find lutong ulam and other snacks you can eat to give you energy to learn. ICTC, the place where your email and ID is made. Library, where you can find textbooks to guide you in your studies and a place to learn. CR, the place where nature calls.